Financial education after 50. The hidden cost of looking successful. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, wow, they must be doing really well financially? Nice car, nice clothes, nice vacations. Everything looks perfect. But here's something many people learn later in life. Looking wealthy and building wealth are not always the same thing, and understanding the difference can change your financial future. The illusion. We live in a world where appearances are everywhere. Every day we see people showing their best moments: the new car, the fancy restaurant, the latest purchase. But what we don't see are the financial details behind the scenes. We don't see budgets, we don't see saving goals, and we certainly don't see financial stress. The truth is simple: a lifestyle can be visible, financial security usually isn't. The real difference. Many financially successful people live surprisingly ordinary lives. They focus on priorities, they save consistency, they avoid unnecessary expenses, and they make decisions based on long term goals rather than short term appearances. Instead of asking, how can I impress people today? They ask, how can I create more choices for myself tomorrow? The lesson. After age 50, financial confidence becomes more important than financial appearance. Confidence comes from preparation, confidence comes from having a plan, confidence comes from knowing where you stand financially. The goal isn't to compete with others, the goal is to build a future that supports the life you want to live. Looking successful may impress people for a moment. Building financial security can benefit you for years. Subscribe to Financial Education After 50 for more practical financial lessons.
Have you ever looked at someone and thought, wow, they must be doing really well financially? But looking wealthy and building wealth are not the same. Subscribe for more practical financial education.